Want to know how you can download B2C shipper invoice? I'll show you how you can exactly do it. So this is your Skart portal. So to create shipper B2C invoice, you will be needing Skart airway bill first. So you can check out your airway bill of your previous shipment from booking list. So you have to copy the airway bill first, and you will go to the shipper invoice section. Here you have to fill the airway bill number and you will click on download invoice. So basically what happens is the system catches the shipper and consignee details from your booking form, and it generates shipper invoice in the standardized format. So basically this shipper invoice is required. It will be the part of KYC document for further movement of your shipment. So that's it. This is how you can download the B2C shipper invoice from the Skart. For more such videos and to know more about our other Skart Edge features, you can check out our other videos as well, and you can also visit our website www.skart-express.com, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.